Here I would like to introduce our Ergo 8100S AI. It is ergonomic silence mouse. The difference with the original version is we increase AI function. Before we explain the function, we can see they are totally the same in shapes, except the colors. There are 6 hotkeys and DPI adjustable key in middle. On-off switch. Put battery inside. Use 1 AA battery, and this is USB-A receiver. The AI function model, we will sell only silver colors. And in the side buttons are all our Copilot keys. One for software and one for microphone. Then we can do demo of the Copilot function. Press the button will open Copilot software. Press once again, it will be closed. Microphone function key is the same. Press once to turn it on and use voice to research information. Press once again will turn it off.